Hey, Embroidery for Beginners. I was just asked how to find the menu to move forward and back in your stitches. So let's click out of here. So let's say we're going to stitch this design and we're several steps into it. But then we notice that we need to go back and forth on our stitches. So then you just, here, let's go back. You click adjust, and then that will bring up your little needle with your minus and your plus. You click that, and then to go forward entire color, or to move to the next step, you go hit the little thread icon with the plus. See, and then that moved me up to step 2 or step 3 or step 4. And if I want to go back to step 1, I just click the thread icon with the minus. Now I'm at step 3, step 2, step 1. But then say I want to just go advance 50 stitches. So then I would just click this. Until I get to the position where I want to be. And as you can see, it's moving my